Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please take the time to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. So guys, today I'm going to make some steamed shrimps with some Old Bay seasoning. So let's check out the ingredients. I have a bag of easy peel raw shrimp 1620. I have some Old Bay seasoning, which is my favorite seafood seasoning. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever used Old Bay seasoning. Some lemon and pepper seasoning to give it that little tangy taste. Or you can use a lemon. Some dry parsley flakes. You can also use some fresh parsley. Some paprika. And most of my seasonings are from the Dollar Tree. Some Tony Cheshire to make it a little bit spicier. And I also wanted to try this shrimp bouillon from Knorr. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever used this shrimp bouillon. I've used the chicken, but I've never used the shrimp. I have some peeled garlic. And I started buying these because I hate sitting and peeling garlic. It's so tedious. Let me know if you buy the peeled garlic or you peel your own. I have half of a medium-sized onion. You can use any onion of your choice. Some white distilled vinegar, and you can use any vinegar of your choice. The first thing I'm going to do is soak and defrost my shrimp. You could buy any shrimp of your choice as far as the size or the brand. I added close to a pound of shrimp to a bowl, and I'm adding about 1 cup of white distilled vinegar to the bowl. And I'm adding some water to cover the shrimps. I'm going to let the shrimp soak until they are defrosted. In the meantime, while I wait on the shrimps, I'm finally chopping a 1/4 piece of onion and a few garlic cloves. I have rinsed my shrimps under some cool running water, so now I'm going to cover the shrimps with my Old Bay seasoning, and I'm giving it a quick toss or a quick stir, and I'm going to continue adding some Old Bay to make sure that all the shrimps are fully covered with the seasoning. Next, I'm lightly sprinkling some lemon pepper seasoning to give it that zing. This next step is optional. I'm lightly sprinkling some Tony Cheshire Creole seasoning to make it a little bit more spicier. I'm sprinkling some dry parsley flakes. You can also use some fresh parsley. Lastly, I'm going to grate half of the Knorr shrimp bouillon cube to cover the shrimps. And I'm giving it a quick stir. I'm making sure to mix all the ingredients. And I'm going to finish adding the rest of the cube. I'm moving on to my vegetables. I'm adding half of the chopped vegetables to the bowl. I'm mixing all my ingredients, and I'm making sure that the chopped vegetables are spread throughout the shrimps. I can definitely smell the strong flavor of Old Bay and the other seasoning. It's like a whole Creole party going on in this bowl. I preheated my oven on broil at 400 and I'm placing my marinated shrimp in a large baking dish. Next, I'm adding a few pieces of butter, and you can use any butter of your choice. I'm also adding the remainder of my chopped vegetables. I'm lightly sprinkling some paprika. And now the shrimp is ready to go in the oven. I'm covering the dish with some foil and I'm going to bake it for 45 minutes, but I'm going to uncover it at 15 minutes. So my shrimps are finally ready and I am ready to chow down. So I'm going to have my shrimps with some yellow rice and a corn and a cob. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.